Let us pray. Our lager, which art in barrels, hallowed be thy drink. Thy will be drunk. I will be drunk. At home as in the tavern. Give us this day. Our foamy head. And forgive us our spillages. As we forgive those. Who spill against us. And lead us not. Into incarceration. But deliver us. From hangovers. For thine is the beer. The bitter. And the lager.